Your legacy machines. Your modern machines. Do they just do work and that's it? Or are they something more? Do they have something to tell you that can help you realize the full potential of your operation? To truly understand what your machines have to say, you need industrial connectivity. You need Kepware from PTC. Kepware provides secure, standardized, and seamless industrial connectivity. This solution translates data from many different sources in your factory and serves it up from a single interface. So from paper to auto to industrial machines and every device in between, all of your industrial data can be transformed into pure decision-making power. With Kepware, your machines will do more than work. They'll tell you where improvements need to be made, enabling you to act quickly and confidently, create more efficiencies, and make your dreams of digital transformation a reality. Your machines are ready to share something. Are you ready to hear it? Discover the power of Kepware from PTC today.